How to customize Instagram suggested posts. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to customize Instagram suggested posts. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should scroll down and find suggested posts in your feed. Above the post we will see label suggested posts. If you don't like some of them, you can just click at the three dots at the right corner. And here you can tap on Not Interested. After that you will see four options such as I see too many posts like this, I like this topic but not this post, this topic doesn't interest me, I don't want to see posts from this account. And you can tap on them if you wish. And that's all. It was how to customize Instagram suggested posts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.